Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work on this. It's a 1/4-inch ratchet, Walden 3150. It was given to me by Big Vic, and I was very lucky that Snap Ring Chronicles already did a video on this model of wrench. So I got to see what it looks like inside, and I'm not as nervous. Now, this particular model has a hole in the top. I believe it's for lubrication, and whoever had this one put this little screw in there. I don't think it came like that. So we might change that or do something about that. I may just take it out. I'm not sure. And then we definitely need to get a screw right here. I need a mirror image of that one. I don't know if I can find it, but we'll give it a try. In the meantime, let's go ahead and bust it down and take the parts and see if we can dig those up. So let's get started. Well, that's it. It's all done. Oh, by the way, summer is here. Good heavens, it's hot out here. Next big expenditure is going to be an air conditioning unit. Forget the lathe, forget any other cool tools that I want to buy. I got to get an AC unit out in this garage. So, but anyway, I'm getting distracted. It's done. I'm happy with it. One of these days I'm going to buy an airplane ticket and I'm going to go watch 357 Magdad or Scout Crafter when they sand these things, because I don't know how to get all those. I worked so hard trying to get those, the little, I don't know what, the little oddball little corners and stuff. Really, really is a tough job. But I'm very proud of myself that I thought to retap those holes and put new screws in, and grading Ben Mall. Ben Mall did better than usual, but not as good as he should be doing yet. Anyway, there it is. Hey, listen, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.